Hi, so today I'm going to be showing you how to use Canva. Canva is my favorite thing to use. I like to be creative, so this is the perfect platform for me. So first off, I want to show you that over here it says upgrade your plan. That is if you want to subscribe and you get access to everything. So I don't have Canva Pro, but there's still tons of things you can do for free, which is perfect. So over here, you're going to hit create a design, and there's so many options of designs you can create. And I typically use Flyer if I'm just making something that's one page, or even if it's several pages, I can click add page. I had a project down here where I had several pages on it, and I could have used a document, but I ended up not doing that because on a document you cannot move a photo around. I'll show you that. So you're gonna hit elements if you want to get a picture. I'm gonna put this Coca-Cola can on there, and I want to move it around, but it does not let you move it, so that is frustrating. I'm going to hit back to home because I don't want to use that. There is also presentation. It's up here. It's just basically like a PowerPoint or a Microsoft Word PowerPoint or Google Docs. So say I want to do the history of Halloween. Interesting. So on here, this is a template. So you don't have to do any of the creative stuff. Say you're not creative, but you need a presentation. You come here and use these templates. So you can have all of these slides. You can put whatever you want on the slide. So on here, it's telling us something in a different language. So the perfect thing to do would be to change it to English. So yeah. If you want, you can change the background color. You can change the font over here. Change the font. You can change the size. And there's lots of things to do. So now I am going to show you my favorite. It is the flyer. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to show you again that there are templates on here. Since it's Halloween, I think I'm gonna make a Halloween one. See, I like this one, but it's a pro. Sometimes it's pretty frustrating. So I'm gonna use this one. I think this one's really cute. So if you move your mouse all around it, you're gonna see these little boxes popping up. That means that these are all individual things. So I can move everything that's on here, which is pretty cool because if you want to move this down, or maybe you want it up here, you can put it wherever you want. Now, if you don't like what you did and you can't get it exactly where it was, you can hit the back button, and you can hit back as many times as you want. I hit back too many times. So I would like to change the background on here. So if you want to hit the background, if you want to change the background, you hit it, you click on the whole page, and then you hit background color, and let's say I wanted to do it purple. Well, I don't like that purple. I might want a lighter purple. That purple is good, but I do want to show you a cooler way. So over here, you can click, so say you wanted a red, which I don't know why anyone would want a red for a Halloween one, but you can take it down. Maybe you want to take it more like a maroon color, or that's really black, but you can put at any color you want. And something cool is you hit this little dropper and you move it over a color or something that has a color. So I'm going to try to get this, let's see, tiny little, actually I think I'm going to take, oh, it's very tricky. So you might have trouble doing it. So I'm going to get this little orange here. I hit orange and I think I like that. But I do want to change these letters to black so that they can see a little bit better. I'm going to change them there. And again, I would definitely change the information on here because that is not my information. And I would love people to come to my house and not to Anywhere Street. So if you don't want this and you want a different template, say you were looking over here and you were like, oh, I really like this template. If you click it, everything from that other one disappears. Now, if you change your mind, you can hit the back button again and it'll take you back to that. I am going to show you how to create your own flyer. So I'm going to take you back home. We're going to go create design and back down to flyer. And on here, I am going to show us how to, we're going to make a flyer about a dog walking service. I'm going to do add heading and I'm going to say Faith's Furry Friends. And I am going to move that up here. If you want it to go across the whole screen, you can have it like that. You're just going to have to take the size down. You want it like that? I think I'm going to have it where the friends is on the bottom. So if you see this little straight line that's happening in the middle, that means you've centered your words. So I want to change the color of my font, or of my words. I think I'm going to do pink. I also want to change the font. So I'm going to come over here to this little drop down. And I'm going to use my favorite font, which is this one. I'm going to make it a little bit bigger, but I did want it to be like that. So I'm going to move it over to the middle, and I think I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I don't like how far these are apart, so I'm going to hit spacing, and I'm going to scroll down line spacing, and that way there's going to be more space down here for me to write about my dog walking service. So on here, I'm going to click the background, and I really want to change the background to blue. Oh, no, I don't like that. I do like the blue, but I don't want it that bright. Maybe I don't want blue. I'm going to go to purple. And I'm going to take that down to a lighter pastel purple. Oh, and I'm going to come back and change the color again. That is not what I want. I'll do this blue. So then you're just going to add your text. You're going to say, okay, I want a little body of text. You can type about your dog walking service or whatever you're creating. And to add some pictures, my favorite part, you're going to come over here to elements. And I got a dog ready for us. So I have this little guy. I'm going to put him up here. How I found him was I went up here to search elements. I searched up dog. And I hit graphics. That's where you're going to find all the good ones. And there's so many. Again, if it's pro, that's sad. But there's plenty of cute ones. So I chose this little guy. I also chose these little dog treats because I am going to bring dog treats when I am walking the dogs. So that is how you would make a flyer. You can also add uploads. So I have this guy ready. This is my baby. His name is Scout. So say I didn't want to use this little comic one. I want to use my dog. So I'll put him up here, and that way everyone can see him and that I have a dog and I know how to do this. So now I'm going to show you how to save this to your computer. So you're going to hit share. If you want to add someone on here to work with you on this, Like say you have a group project or you want to create something together, then you can add people to it. So you can hit share and say I wanted to share it to, I don't know, whoever, this person. So I would go there and click that. And you can say that you can add anyone with the link, they can see it, or just you. So I'm going to scroll down here to download. I'm going to hit download. You can change how you want it. I usually do PDF, and then I hit download, and it says it's downloading. So then once it's downloaded, you come here, and it's right here. So I'm going to hit open, and it's going to be right there with everything on there. So that is how you use Canva. I hope this tutorial really helps. It's a great website, a great platform to make things, get your information out, and it's just a great website overall. I hope you love this tutorial and it helps you out. Have a good day!